What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great week so far. It is Wednesday, so we are just halfway there, guys. You just have to make it through the week, and hopefully you're finding some good stuff out there. I mean, there was some stuff that I forgot to showcase, and we have it right here, guys. I mean, I literally was like, wow, I completely forgot to showcase these. These were also some ones I found in Colorado, so here we go. We finally found the white Honda Civic Si. I've been wanting this one ever since I saw this color was coming out. You guys know I love the red interior on Civics, and on white, this thing looks beautiful. You got the carbon fiber hood, of course. Headlights are done, tail lights, just front and back, looking really nice. This is out of G-Case for the Hot Wheels J Imports. Beautiful gold PR5s. And I think this one's probably my favorite for the latest release of the Honda Civics. And we also found the recolor of the Skyline KDR30. Look at that. Beautiful green metallic. You got the number 6. It's the same deco that came on the previous release in that maroonish purple color, but this one you have it in green, which I think looks really good as well. Another J Imports out of G-Case. So found these two. I've been wanting to get those, missed them on the drop that we had here locally, and then we got this one. Check it out. I found this one at Target. It is the NYPD version of the 2022 Mach-E GT. Man, my collection is definitely growing of Mach-E's, and I know everyone is on the same page with me. It is not a Mustang in my book. It is not. Now, Greenlight is really the only one right now that is just pushing out a lot of releases. I think there's a raw chase version of this one. But, I mean, we got the 2022 in blue. We got the California Route 1 in gray. We have this really nice bluish gray one. We also have the Black Bandit. I think there's another one somewhere around here. But this one I was actually wanting because I like the NYPD deco. I think it's just an iconic police car. I mean, we all have our police cars in our collection if you do have them. But this one was a good addition. I do like this one. This is out of Series 45 for the Hot Pursuit from Greenlight. So did finally catch this one, and this beautiful M2 we found at Walmart. Check this out. Beautiful gold metallic on this 1970 Boss 302. Such a beautiful classic, man. I love this color setup. The Boss 302 and the Mach 1s for the 70s are one of the most iconic cars out there. I mean, you have the most recognizable front end on this one. But I like the box. Check it out. To lead your class, you have the 90-degree V family with the cool motor small block series deco on this package. But it's coming out of this at some point once I make some more room for the M2s. But man, this one is a beautiful release. There is a chase version of it. There's 6,250 out of all of them. And then out of those, 750 are a chase. I don't know what the color configuration is. It's probably gold, maybe black. I don't know. I'll post a picture if I can find one. But yes, another 124 scale added to the collection. There we go. These are the cars that I totally missed out on the last episode. But in this episode, guys, we have yet again, we have a mail call. Check this out. This is from our man, our dude, our buddy, the one we all love and miss, making videos, from Kingnut Diecast. My dude Eric, thank you so much for sending this. He found a chase piece and he was like, I don't really collect this one. I don't want it to go to waste. So he wanted to send it my way. So I cannot wait to open this up. It's not something I usually collect either. So I definitely appreciate you so much, man. I do miss hanging out with you, meeting up with you, trading and doing all that stuff. He used to come over and look at the collection and we'd always end up trading somehow for something. It was just a lot of fun. So I do miss my friends in Arizona a lot. We do have some good friends up here as well. But my AZ3 guys, man, definitely miss you guys. I mean, you got Derek from Honest Diecast, Raul, the Hot Wheels Mailman Collector, a few other friends, but man, cannot wait to open this up. So let's go ahead and do that and see what he sent. All right, guys, I already see it. I had found the mainline version for a friend, stashed it for him. He was able to pick it up yesterday, and now we're gonna have the chase version of it. Oh, wait. No way, he sent both of them. Look at that, guys. We have the 1990 GMC Sierra 1500 pickup. I mean, these OBSs look super clean, man. Just hid this one for my buddy, and he went and picked it up. But that one, super clean. This one, check it out, guys. The chase version of the Sprite pickup. There we go, my dude. And this one actually has the hood up. That one doesn't. This one actually has the hood already open. That is super clean. Now, these trucks are something I rarely pick up, guys. When I see them, my local buddy Ryan collects these pickups, and I'm always stashing them for him so he can come pick them up. He's a little ways away from me, and he always misses out on these trucks. So when I find him, I send him a message, and then he comes and picks it up. So we got the chase version as well as the mainline. Dude, you are freaking awesome. Man, I might open the mainline, keep this one in the package. Of course, I really don't open my chases. I think I've only opened one, maybe, if that. I don't even think I've opened up a premium chase. Yeah, I don't think I have. And I don't know if I'm going to start now, but there we go, guys. You have the mainline version and the chase. You can see the interior is green, where the mainline is tan. Of course, the white steelies versus green. The only identifier for these are the trim pieces, whereas the 124 scale, you all know, or if you don't know, that the bases are a mirror finish, whereas the main lines are the diamond plates. So awesome 2-package deal from Kingnut. Dude, you need to make some videos again. I know you're busy. We all just miss your content, your photo montages at the end. Dude, we miss you, man. But thank you so much for sending these. These are great additions to the collection. Like I said, I don't really collect these pickups. I do have a couple. I got a Maisto right here. I do have the RLC card error sitting over there. And I've done a custom one of these for my friend Ryan. But and then, of course, we added the Mach-E GT to the collection, the white Honda Civic SI recolor, as well as the recolor KDR30, and the beautiful 1970 Mach 1 fresh from M2. So there we go, guys. That is all we have for this episode. Like I said, I wanted to recap this for you guys because I totally forgot I had these set aside, as well as some recent finds in Colorado. But that is all we have, guys. I still have these stacks of Mustangs. Got Mustangs over here, Mustangs sitting on top of there. And I think this weekend I'm going to spend it mainly just Saturday, because Father's Day is Sunday. But really want to organize this and get everything back on the walls. And like I said, I'm going to do something with these supers. They're going to go in a tote or a box somewhere, and keep the Mustangs out. I really do love showcasing these multi-packs, because there's a lot of collectors out there that like to see which 5-packs are out there, or which ones were the old ones. And I think these that I have on display are my favorites. That's the only reason why I bought them. Don't really get multi-packs unless I want to display them, or if I just need one car. This one that we got in our last episode, I did open it up and pull this beautiful Mustang out. Check it out. This thing looks gorgeous out of the package. Definitely loving this one. So with that, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of our future episodes, including mail calls, and of course our latest hauls and other stuff out there. Car show season, like I said in a couple episodes ago, is here. We have one coming up this weekend, and a couple weekends from now we have a few more. So stay tuned for those as well. And of course, until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace. Oh yeah, before I forget, guys, comment down below, tag Kingnut in this episode, and just beg him to come back. We need you to make some videos again. We want to see that handsome bald head of yours again in your photo montages. So of course, guys, comment down below to Kingnut. telling him to come back. Maybe we can convince him to make some time and make an episode. One episode, maybe one, will start your ignition back up into making them again. So yeah, wanted to throw that out there, and we will see you in the next episode. Peace.